Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, in this tutorial, we'll be starting with the walls object. We'll be learning how to create the walls. Well, you see, there can be many approaches to do one thing in a different manners. There are many ways here. The very first I can tell you, just select the wall object here. You can make its length, width and height, alignment, and a global axis position. I hope you can simply place here like this. You see, you have a wall here, but I won't recommend to use this approach straight away. There can be many errors sometimes. So if you want the accurate results, that is the only way that you can achieve through the sketcher. So what we will doing here, just click on the face of the object where you want the walls and then change the working plane. Now you see the working plane is shifted above the slab. Now just go to sketcher workbench. Don't forget to click the face where you want to build a new sketch. Click on it and then create a new sketch. So here you have options. Select the method to attach this face to selected object. Select the flat face. Now we have our sketch that will be on the top of the slab. So now let's create a set of walls. Select the polyline option. So let this makes this line straight. Click on the line and set the vertical constraint. Now we have some messages here. Just click on it. Sometimes there are some extra constraints. And just click on it and press the delete key. Well, it's not doing that. So we're done with the extra constraint. Now you see there are certain sets of degrees of freedom. We can make changes to that. Now here also we like to have the length of this line symmetry with the center. So we have the axis y heads as a center. Click on it and we have the symmetry here. Similarly, we can also have the symmetry of this line with respect to x-axis. Now you see we still have we have 3 degrees of freedom if you see in the solver messages. So let's have this length to be around. One more thing you can do is just select this option, that is create an edge link to an external geometry. With this we can add the references. Just select the outer boundaries of the slab. Now press escape key. So now we can just set the constraints, that how much distance do we require this line from the particular edge. Select the 2 dots endpoints and set the horizontal distance first. Let this be around 2 meters. So you see, is this fixed? You can also change it later. Let's have the vertical distance. Let this be also around 2000 meters. So we have the power back here. Well, now we're left with 1 degree of freedom, which is this. We should set at least one length here. Let's set this length. Let this be around 4 meters. So we have a fully constrained sketch here. Close it. Goes to the arc workbench. Simply select the sketch and then press the wall object. Now you see we got a wall object here directly from the sketch. Now there are certain sets of properties in the data options here. There are view, you can change the view colors, transparency, other things. In our data properties, you can change the height, let the height be 3000 only. You can see, I can show you demonstration here. If you change the height, it simply rises. So let the height be around 3 meters only. Then we have the width of the wall. Let the width be around 300 mm. Then one thing we would like to do here is alignment. So you see, if you press left, enter, you see it goes outside. That is, the sketch is here. With respect to the sketch, the alignment is left. If you press right, then the sketch is outside. You can see here. And the center option, the sketch will lies in the center of the wall. It's better that we shift it to left only, because sometimes we need the dimensions from inside of the rooms. Now to show, hide or unhide any object in the FreeCAD, just simply click on the object and press space key. And you see, you can hide and unhide it, simply the wall and the sketch objects. Now you see, the wall has embedded sketch. It is based on the sketch. So we're done with the external walls. Move to the next tutorial, in which we'll be dealing with the how to place doors. Thank you for watching, viewers. See you in the next one.